Hi there, my name is Chris Quintana. Along with Dakota Pacheco, Wilbert Kady, and Paul Pacheco, we'll be talking about marketing strategies for the Wilbert Kady Pro 15 Filters glove. Baseball is a very important sport in the United States. From the upper leagues in the MLB to youth leagues like Cal Ripken, Babe Ruth League, Upward Bound, and Connie Mack, and the World Series, and of course Little League are just a few programs offered to youth in urban and rural communities across America. For Little League Baseball, girls and boys from the ages 10 to 18 are the target market for us. Focusing on communities that sponsor youth leagues is essential to the marketing plan. The Pro 15 line of gloves is catered to meet the needs of up-and-coming baseball players of today. The Pro Series is a really nice cowhide. Costs about $60 a hide, which is the margins of making profit. It's a really sturdy glove, not too heavy, so it's a lighter glove that can be broken in. The body of the glove will come in many colors of black, red, green, and leather colors. And for stitching and lacing, extra lacing costs 50 cents, and embroidering is another feature that you could customize with, 10 cents a letter. There are different glove levels for different baseball enthusiasts. Retail prices for Big 5 and Dick's Sporting Goods stores will start at $15 for the small size, $18 for the medium, and $22 for the large. The retail price for the glove will start at $14 for a small one on Amazon Prime and $25 on the Wilson website direct. Medium and larger sizes will range in the prices from $17 to $60, and all these prices will fluctuate depending on the designs and customization you add. Orders of 10 to 15 will get a price discount of $10 or 10% on an entire order. Credit card payments are accepted, and payment plans of 6 months can be made of an order of $150 or more on your final purchase. As promotion, we plan to have Wilbert Kady as signing and taking photos with fans to promote the new line of gloves and having the product there for review for any customers that have questions. On location, promotion of the Kady Pro 15 is at all major Little League events, including the World Series. As for promotion, our campaign will start at the Big 5 and Dick's Sporting Goods stores. Ads for the Wilbert Kady Pro 15 will be circulated by newspaper ads and bulletins. Mail flyers will also be distributed at random communities that have the Little League baseball programs in them. Local radio and sports news channels will also be informed of the upcoming promotion of the star athlete and his name brand glove at baseball games. Emails will also be sent to those given with information at Wilson, Amazon, Big 5, and Dick's Sporting Goods stores for updates with the new line of the glove. As for the implementation and the control of the marketing plan for our glove series, for sales online, a tally of purchases will be measured by materials, colors, and sizes bought frequently. These activities will be monitored to see what customers are most likely to buy and what they are interested in. The websites will be equipped to handle review postings by customers. Location and time are also a factor, and a yearly assessment will be made of all these variables and compared to the years before to project and forecast the demand for our gloves. Sales and promotional events will be evaluated by trained product promoters, giving surveys of what people think of the new glove and their interest in the glove. On behalf of the group, that concludes our presentation for the day. Thank you for your time, and here's the works cited.